Hey kid, how's it going? I'm Sans the comic. Come on in, we've got burgers and so much more. Stay a bit, you can hear my terrific humor. Take a sit, it looks like to me your legs are sore, but don't think twice, I know all of your dirty secrets. So don't try shit, or I'll end your fucking life. But hey, if you're good, I will show you around Snowden Town. It's so great if you're not a fucking murderer. Shop at the shop, you can get some delicious sweet buns. They'll heal you in battle, but you better not get any fights or I'll kill you.